We told you about a lawsuit that was filed Tuesday in Flathead County District Court on behalf of families whose loved ones passed away from COVID-19 at the Whitefish Care and Rehabilitation Center. KPAX's Sean Wells continues our coverage of this lawsuit and spoke with the Kalispell law firm who filed the complaint.
A complaint filed by McGarvey Law on behalf of the families of Alton Johnson, Burton Pugh, and Stanley Weber says residents unnecessarily contracted or died of COVID-19, experienced unnecessary complications, or were neglected, abused, and mistreated while under care at Whitefish Care and Rehabilitation. Whitefish Care and Rehab Center has seen more than a dozen resident deaths related to COVID-19 since an outbreak occurred at the facility in mid-August, including the lives of Johnson, Pugh, and Weber. Whitefish Care and Rehab parent company Sweetwater Whitefish OpCo and Whitefish Care and Rehab Executive Director Reed Crickmore were all named as defendants in the case. McGarvey Law of Kalispell and Heenan and Cook of Billings filed the lawsuit and the demand for a jury trial. McGarvey Law senior attorney Roger Sullivan says the lawsuit includes 7 counts, including negligence and wrongful death.
And so what we're seeking to do is to hold the defendants responsible for their actions and also to make an example of their conduct such that neither these defendants or other similarly situated entities in the future would be deterred from allowing this to happen again.
A focus control survey conducted by the Montana Department of Public Health and Human Services on August 31st showed staff members were rooming presumptive COVID-19 positive residents with COVID-19 negative residents. The state report also said staff were entering COVID-19 positive resident rooms without proper PPE, and staff at the facility were not attempting to assist with maintaining social distancing for all residents. Whitefish Care and Rehab Center Executive Director Reed Crickmore responded to MTM News by email about the lawsuit, saying, quote, "The safety and welfare of our residents are always our top priorities. It is important to remember that this invisible virus called COVID-19 has never happened before. As part of our facility's commitment to protecting residents, families, and staff from serious illness or complications related to COVID-19, we have from the beginning of this pandemic followed guidance from the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services, the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, and the Montana Department of Public Health and Human Services. We have brought on outside professional help to work with us to keep residents and staff safe. We are saddened and have compassion for the residents and families who have been impacted by the spread of COVID-19 in our communities and are continually committed to providing a safe place for our residents to live and our employees to work." McGarvey Law senior partner Roger Sullivan says the law firm is still in their discovery phase, gathering documents and information from potential witnesses. In Kalispell, Sean Wells, MTN News.